All right, tech enthusiasts, let's dive into why the iPhone 16 Pro is a serious game changer. First up, the design. Apple's gone with an aerospace-grade titanium frame. Not only does it look sleek, but it's also incredibly durable. You can feel the premium quality the moment you pick it up. And that new midnight blue finish? Absolutely stunning. Now onto the display. We're talking about a 6.7-inch ProMotion XDR screen with an adaptive refresh rate up to 120 Hz. This means buttery smooth scrolling and crisp visuals, whether you're gaming, watching videos, or just browsing. It's like having a mini cinema in your pocket. Let's talk performance. The iPhone 16 Pro is powered by the A18 Bionic chip. This beast of a processor offers up to 30% faster performance and 20% better energy efficiency compared to the A17. Whether you're multitasking, editing videos, or diving into augmented reality, this phone handles it all effortlessly. And camera enthusiasts, listen up. The iPhone 16 Pro features a triple lens setup with a 48MP main sensor ultra-wide and telephoto lenses. Night mode, deep fusion, and ProRAW capabilities are better than ever. Your photos and videos will be on a whole new level of awesome. Battery life? Check. The iPhone 16 Pro offers an all-day battery, plus it charges 50% in just 30 minutes with the new 30W fast charger. So, no more battery anxiety. And let's not forget about iOS 18. It brings new features like enhanced widgets, improved privacy settings, and a revamped Siri. It's smarter, faster, and more customizable than ever. So there you have it. The iPhone 16 Pro isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution. From its cutting-edge design to its powerhouse performance, it's changing the game in every way. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and tutorials on the latest tech. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Catch you in the next one.